When you think of Tampa, you probably picture sunshine, beaches, and bustling nightlife. But what if I told you that some of Tampa's most popular neighborhoods hide stories of pirates, cigar barons, and even presidential visits? Today, I'm uncovering the secret history of Tampa's neighborhoods, and you may never look at these streets the same way again. Hello, everyone. I'm Britta Becker with Tampa Bay Real Estate Company and the host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa. So, if you love learning about Tampa, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss any of my insider guides. Part 1, Ybor City, the cigar capital. Ybor City was founded in the 1880s by Vicente Martinez Ybor, a Spanish entrepreneur who brought the cigar industry from Cuba. At its peak, Tampa was rolling over 500 million cigars a year, earning it the nickname Cigar Capital of the World. Workers created social clubs like Centro Asturiano, excuse the pronunciation, and Centro Español that still stand today, symbols of our immigrant culture here in Tampa. Fun fact, Jose Marti, who fought for Cuban independence, rallied support right here in Ybor. Part 2, Hyde Park, Streetcars, and Secret Growth. Hyde Park started to flourish in the early 1900s thanks to the streetcar line that connected it to downtown. Its famous bungalow homes became Tampa's first true suburb, a sign that people wanted to live near but not inside, at that time, the busy city. Bayshore Boulevard, now known for its scenic waterfront and fitness culture, was once considered, guess what, swampy land. Developers took a gamble, and yes, that paid off. Today, it's one of the most desirable neighborhoods for families and luxury buyers alike. Part 3, Davis Islands, from dredge to dream. In the 1920s, developer D.P. Davis dredged up the bay to create Davis Islands, literally farming land out of water. He envisioned a Mediterranean revival paradise, complete with luxury hotels and a yacht club. While the Florida land boom collapsed shortly thereafter, the neighborhood grew into one of Tampa's most prestigious addresses. And today it's home to pro athletes, CEOs, and locals who have lived on Davis Island forever. Part 4, Seminole Heights, hidden in plain sight. Seminole Heights is known today for its craft breweries and trendy restaurants, but it was one of the city's earliest streetcar suburbs in the 1910s. Its bungalow revival homes were marketed to middle-class families who wanted charm and affordability. Many of these historic homes are still standing, giving the neighborhood a cool mix of old Tampa character and modern urban revival. Part 5, Palma, Ceia, and Beach Park, Spanish ties and garden dreams. Palma, Ceia's origins are tied to Tampa's Spanish influence, with street names reflecting Spanish roots. Its Palma Ceia Golf and Country Club is one of the oldest in the region. Beach Park, on the other hand, was designed in the 1920s with winding, garden-style streets meant to feel like a Mediterranean village. These neighborhoods became the blueprint for South Tampa's luxury lifestyle, blending history with timeless curb appeal. I love Tampa, from cigar factories and streetcars to dredged islands and Spanish-inspired gardens. Gosh, Tampa's history is alive in every block. And here's the best part, you don't just visit these stories, you actually live in them. If you're curious about making Tampa your home, please reach out. I'd love to help you discover which historic neighborhood fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you found any value in it. And I will look forward to hearing from you. Please drop me a comment and tell me which Tampa neighborhood surprised you the most.